Hi, I'm Alison from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on deadheading summer perennials. You can see in the border behind me that there are still plants with plenty of flower and some yet to come. But in a garden with a long flowering season, there's almost always something that's going over. And this planting is a good example. While the Nepeta and the Verbena bonariensis are still going, the penstemon in the centre has pretty much finished. A couple of pink flowers down at the bottom, and the rest of it I need to deadhead. So if I move in, you can see that these plants have a long flowering stem. So there's been flowers all the way down here, and I'm going to cut right down, if I bend it over, to the point at the base of the final flowering stalk, because you can see below there are some new shoots coming out the side, and with a bit of luck and a following wind, those will produce some smaller flower spikes for the rest of the summer. And so it is simply a case of snipping off through the stem below the lowest of these flower stalks and then moving on to the next one. As well as tidying up the garden and encouraging a second flush of flowers on early summer flowering perennials, one of the key aims of deadheading is to prevent the plant from diverting energy into seeds that you don't want. But there are plants and shrubs that I don't deadhead in my garden, and this is an example. So Lacestaria, where you can see the white flowers are beginning to droop on some of the clusters, and in fact they go on to produce these glossy, shiny maroon berries that are great for decoration all through the autumn and also for the birds. And the other one, a bit more surprisingly, is this peony, Molly the Witch. It's a herbaceous peony, and it has pale lemon flowers for really just about a fortnight in May. It is a beautiful thing though. And if you don't deadhead, you let the seeds develop. Look at that, these bright pink seeds splitting open in pairs that are going to provide a second whole raft of decoration on this plant. You can see there's quite a lot of seed heads to come. That's going to be great later in the summer. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.